Now we do know Maharashtra, the Vikas Aghadi government, the alliance partners, there quite some rift between the alliance partners there, and amid all the confusion, we're looking at Uddhav Thackeray, the Chief Minister, holding a crucial meeting. A crucial meet is currently being held with ruling allies at his official residence, Varsha. A day after claiming that Congress is not in charge in Maharashtra, Rahul Gandhi dialed Uddhav Thackeray's son and Maharashtra Minister Aditya Thackeray. Rahul clarified that his statement about Maharashtra was taken out of context. He added that Congress is firmly behind Uddhav Thackeray and his government. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena's mouthpiece Samna in its editorial has clarified that the government in Maharashtra is stable. These rumours started after NCP chief Sharad Pawar met with Governor B.S. Koshyari and later met with Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray there. There have been reports of disagreements within the cabinet there regarding lockdown measures. Sources say that MLAs have complained about Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray going incommunicado at many times that they wanted to meet and communicate with him. And we're looking at differences between the alliance partners. Those were the allegations. Here, Uddhav Thackeray chairing a meet with alliance partners, with all of them maintaining that all is well.
खुद तो कंट्रोल नहीं किसी से उन लोगों से हो पा रहा है और ठीकरा कहीं और फोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। भैया आपस में सिर्फ बटोवल कर लीजिएगा। इस समय जो है वो आपकी प्राथमिकता होना चाहिए कि लोगों को राहत कैसे मिले, किस तरह से जो है वो महाराष्ट्र के लोग या मुंबई के लोग जो है वो कोरोना से मुक्त हो सकें। आप जो है वो हर दिन आरोप प्रत्यारोप लगाते रहेंगे तो उससे काम नहीं चलेगा।
Moving on, now we're looking at a big political fight over India on a lockdown and the whole strategy to fight COVID-19. The first salvo was shot by Rahul Gandhi when he said the entire lockdown served no purpose. Despite the lockdown being in place, the COVID-19 cases only on the rise. He said the strategy, let's in fact take a quick listen. Rahul Gandhi, what he spoke about Maharashtra and how Maharashtra was handling it despite Congress being at the helm of affairs, part of the government. Here's how he shrugged it off.
We are supporting the government in Maharashtra, but we are not the key decision maker in Maharashtra. We are the key decision maker in Punjab. We are the key decision maker in Chhattisgarh, in Rajasthan, in Pondicherry. So there is a difference between running a government and supporting a government. And Maharashtra is one of the most important assets, frankly, that India has. It is the center of business. So it requires full support from the government of India. I fully understand that Maharashtra is fighting a very difficult battle, and I appreciate that fact. And so are many other states. And it is important that full support of the government of India goes to the people of Maharashtra and the government of Maharashtra.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi, if lockdown is no solution, why does your chief minister do not listen to you? Be it Maharashtra, be it Rajasthan, be it Punjab. आप तो ऐसे ही सिकुड़ते जा रहे हैं। अब कल तो आपने कह दिया कि महाराष्ट्र में आप कोई की डिसीजन नहीं प्ले करते हैं। तो क्या राहुल गांधी महाराष्ट्र सरकार की विफलता से अपनी जिम्मेदारी लेकर भागना चाहते हैं क्या कि मुंबई या इस वर्ल्ड का हॉटस्पॉट बन रहा है?
Well, let's quickly go over to Sahil Joshi joining us from Mumbai for more details on this. Sahil, do bring us more on the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance partners and the disturbance between them. There were several allegations that there was dissent brewing over the lockdown measures in place and about the Chief Minister going incommunicado to many of those alliance partners. We're looking at a crucial meeting being held by Uddhav Thackeray. In fact, Rahul has also dialed up Uddhav's son, Aditya Thackeray, and said that he was quoted out of context. What more do we know?
You know, this particular meeting is happening, which is a ministers' meeting which happens every fortnightly, and last week also they had met. This time the COVID situation, there will be a presentation of the COVID situation for the ministers. Uddhav is not part of this meeting at 11 o'clock, but Uddhav will be taking a meeting of all the divisional commissioners, which is another routine meeting which keeps happening every 7 days to assess the situation of COVID-19, especially when the deadline for the lockdown 4.0 will be getting over on 31st. So before that, the state will have to come up with the policy about whether to continue with the lockdown, what more relaxations can happen. So for that, these particular meetings keep happening, and that's what is happening at this point of time. As far as the government is concerned, now it has been made it very clear by Sharad Pawar as well as Rahul Gandhi as well that there is no there is no confusion within the government. The government, all three parties are together. So this is the routine meetings which are now happening at this point of time in Mumbai, whereas Uddhav Thackeray is not part of the meeting which is happening at Varsha. The other senior ministers, 2 from Shiv Sena, 2 from NCP and 2 from Congress, are there with the other Maharashtra government officials at Varsha, the official residence of the Chief Minister.
Right. Sahil, thank you very much for joining us with those details. But nonetheless, we're only looking at politics brewing over the lockdown and the measures that have been put in place. In fact, Rahul Gandhi himself fired the first salvo, saying that despite the lockdown being in place, the cases of coronavirus were only on the rise. He also pointed out at the strategy put forth by the centre and Narendra Modi government. In fact, the first comment that Rahul Gandhi made was the lockdown has not been successful as it has not got us desired results. Now, Union Minister, Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad today hit back, saying that Rahul Gandhi has a habit of spreading false information and accused Rahul Gandhi of weakening India's fight against coronavirus. The Union Minister also questioned why Congress chief ministers were ignoring Rahul's advice on extending the lockdown. Ravi Shankar Prasad there also accused Rahul Gandhi of trying to gain political mileage from the pandemic and said that it was easy to criticize the government over the migrants crisis and difficult to actually contribute and help the poor.
Now we are on 60 days and we are the only country in the world where the virus is exponentially rising, and we are removing a lockdown. So it is pretty clear that the aim and the purpose of our lockdown has failed.
He is trying to weaken the resolve of the country in the fight against corona. This campaign is based upon falsehood, misrepresentation and deliberate twisting of facts. मृत्यु कहीं भी हो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, लेकिन कोरोना की कोई दवा नहीं, दुआ है और लॉकडाउन है। तो लॉकडाउन करके माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो हिम्मत दिखाई है, जो देश को नेतृत्व दिया है, जो पूरे देश को एक साथ जोड़कर काम करने की कोशिश की है, उसका यह फायदा है। मिस्टर राहुल गांधी, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is playing from the front foot, and because he is playing from the front foot, उसका नतीजा हमारे सामने है, ये उनको समझने की जरूरत है।
Prime Minister and his entire advisory staff, including his top medical people, said that the disease would start to reduce towards the end of May. It's clear that the disease is not reducing, it is increasing. So we, with utmost respect, want to ask the Prime Minister and the government, now that we have a failed lockdown, what is their strategy going forward? What is their strategy as far as opening up India is concerned? What are the precautions that they're going to take to now curb this disease? How are they thinking about supporting our migrants? How are they thinking about supporting the state governments? How are they thinking about supporting small and medium businesses?
It's spreading negativity, working against the nation during crisis. तीसरा, hungry for false credit. चौथा, say one thing, does something else. और पांचवा है misinformation और fake news. ICMR ये बहुत ही इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च अच्छा काम कर रही है। इसको लेकर राहुल गांधी ने क्या क्या ट्वीट कर दिए, तो अब राहुल गांधी अपने राजनीतिक विरोध में इतना अधिक आगे बढ़ गए हैं कि जो प्रोफेशनल बॉडीज हैं उन पर भी झूठे आरोप लगाना उनकी फितरत बन गई है।
they have a sense of hopelessness. They have a sense that they have been left alone. Many of them have said to me, भरोसा हमारा टूट गया. फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर की व्यू है कि अगर मैं उनसे बात करता हूं तो ये ड्रामा है. ठीक है, वो उनकी व्यू है. मैं उनको धन्यवाद करता हूं और मैं उनसे कहता हूं कि अगर वो चाहती हैं तो मैं यहां से उत्तर प्रदेश चला जाऊंगा, मुझे वहां अलाउ कर दें, मैं पैदल यहां से निकल जाऊंगा और जितने लोगों की मैं मदद रास्ते पे कर सकूंगा मैं कर दूंगा.
ये हम सबों को की पूरी सहानुभूति है. इन हमारे जो मजदूर आ रहे हैं, ये पीड़ादायक है. हम सब पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि उनको राहत मिले. राहत मिल भी रही है, फ्री राशन, भोजन, बाकी सब व्यवस्था. लेकिन इतनी बड़ी संख्या है तो कुछ तो परेशानी होती है. तो हम लोग को सबको मिलकर काम करना है कि नहीं करना है? तो इनका काम आलोचना करना, और इनकी सरकार, इनकी प्रदेश सरकार इनकी भी नहीं सुनती है सहयोग करने के ऊपर.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.